What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone battery is a original, genuine battery on your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, so let's get right to it. So in order to check the battery status to make sure you have an original Apple battery on your iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, we're gonna have to go down to settings. Here in settings, we're gonna scroll down to battery. Here in battery, we're gonna select right here in the middle, battery health. Here in battery health, it tells me that my battery health is normal, so that means that it's good. The maximum capacity is still at 100% because this is a pretty much brand new iPhone 16 Plus. So if the battery on your Apple iPhone 16 is not original, it will not say normal here, and it's going to show a message like this. The iPhone will detect that the battery inside of it is not a genuine Apple battery, and it will let you know by displaying this message here. So if you do have this message, then now you know that the battery in your iPhone is not original, or if it's a phone that you're buying, either ask for a discount or don't buy it at all. All right, everyone, so that is how you check the battery authenticity of your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. So go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you, comment down below, and let me know if it did. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.